With the global economic integration, the market competition has become fierce. Standing in the historical node, Shandong Sino Building Material Group deeply feels the opportunities and challenges facing the new era. In 2009, Shandong Sino Steel officially set sail. In 2014, we set up a network operations center. In 2017, we introduced the international top software system. In 2019, we have put forward the new positioning of building a supply chain integration service provider. Nowadays, homogenization competition among iron and steel enterprises is serious. As the core business of Shandong Sino Building Material Group, we improve the comprehensive competitiveness of the enterprise from the raw material purchasing and in-depth processing, sales, logistics, and other aspects. As of 2022, the group's cumulative export volume exceeds 3.6 million tons, sold to 150 countries, and has a total of more than 3,000 customers. Focus on coated products and developing markets as the company grows and extends its business strategy. Since 2020, the group has laid out overseas companies and has formed an overseas supply chain establishing over 10 companies and warehouses in East Africa, West Africa, and Central Asia. Overseas warehousing, processing, sales, distribution, and after-sales to better serve customers. In the future, overseas companies will be established in 25 regions. According to the international and domestic financial development, explore the diversification of corporate finance. Once more, stabilize our enterprise value through the use of futures derivatives and supply chain financial tools and instruments. In recent years, the national automobile industry has been developing at a high speed. We take vehicle export as the core of business, synchronize the exploration of overseas automobile market, and build a complete service chain for automobile export, integrating auto procurement resources, supporting the opening up of the automotive industry and the development of the automotive industry. Overseas, we rely on our own overseas companies to promote, cooperate with car dealers and overseas social influencers, to deploy self-operated overseas warehouses, and prepare for the construction of shared car warehouses, etc. The group closely follows the national double-cycle development strategy, relying on our overseas companies and customer resources, began to explore barter trade and import business. 2021, mainly involved in agricultural products, meat, timber, and other products, to open up the supply chain of imports to meet the needs of customers in the Chinese market, deepening the company's overseas layout. The arrival of the internet era triggered the constant thinking of group on the supply chain integration services. We developed a digital intelligent integrated supply chain information platform, support for intelligent business decision-making, improve the efficiency of turnover, fully realize the supply chain throughout the visual monitoring and management, focus on value service and make the choice simple. We will not forget the original intention, uphold the attitude and concept of symbiosis and win-win cooperation with partners to create a competitive supply chain integration service provider.